Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this metallic blue water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Sally Hansen Aquamarine Chrome. Then I'm going to be water marbling with Sally Hansen All Aglow, as well as Spark, and to let the base color peek through, Holo Taco Matte Taco. Once I have the base color applied, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails using tape as well as liquid latex. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is built, I'm going to draw from the center down to the bottom and up to the top. Then draw in some chevrons and then some squiggles. Once the design is drawn, I'm going to line up my nails and then dip in. Once I've cleaned all the excess polish from the surface, I'm going to go ahead and pull my nails out. And there's the water marble. I'm going to use a tweezer to remove the protection and then move on to my other nails. We missed a corner on the thumb here. I think I'm going to go ahead and re-dip this one. Once I'm done with all my nails, I'm going to move on to cleanup. I'm going to use a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as underneath my nails. Then I'm going to do closer cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. Even though there may or may not have been a few redips that were edited out of the tutorial. I originally tested these colors during 12 Days of Christmas, and it didn't quite work out for that series, but I set them aside so that I could use them during Water Marble March. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of these down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.